Hi guys, Big Bang Michael here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So far in this video series of Royal Enfield Meteor Supernova, you have seen the top speed test, the vibration test, and also you have seen the detailed highway review where my wife also gave the pillion review as to how it felt. So far the thing is, there are no vibrations, the torque is good, the clutch, the seating position, the backrest, everything is great. But whatever I did so far has always been either nice road or highway or Tumkur highway or somewhere off-road, nothing within the city. So that's why I wanted to give you this city review as well as to what I feel when I'm riding this motorcycle within city. So the first and foremost thing is, you feel that you sit very low when you're riding in the city. As you see here, I am lower than that particular motorcycle, and the suspension tuning is really great on this motorcycle, I'll tell you that. You can comfortably cruise within city in second gear. You don't have to change gears at all, I'll show you that. See here, because the torque is 27 at 4000 rpm and the horn is loud as well. Will I get that signal? No. Anyways, I will not break the signal. Yeah. Okay, this is one of the most unique buttons that I've seen on a motorcycle. I really like it. I have to go right and go. Yep. I'm in third gear right now, and as you see, it's very comfortable, man. Even with third gear, without changing gears within city, I can ride. I can show you that as well. Let me show you here. See, at 20 kilometers per hour, I'm in third gear and it's comfortable. I guess this is the reason many people go for Royal Enfield Classics. I'll completely slow down. I'm in third gear and it picks up very easily. It's all about clutch control, and the clutch is really light. Royal Enfield had given me one full tank and asked me to check how the bike really is. If I wanted, I could do more kilometers, but I did not have time. But well, I have done 240 to 250 kilometers. That is good enough for a review. See, the thing is, as you saw the Classic over there, the sound of that is a little different when compared to this. This is very bassy and a little fast, but Classic is thumpier. That's what I felt. But this is not bad either. The sound is really good. As you see here, filtering with the bike is not a problem at all. And the rear brake on this motorcycle is brilliant. The suspension tuning and the rear brake, one of the best things on this motorcycle. Okay, too much traffic, man. Yeah, that's one more thing. Doesn't matter how much traffic there is, and doesn't matter how slow you keep riding, the bike will not get hot at all. That's one more thing why people buy Royal Enfields, because most of them, they try to take it to their office or to their work or somewhere within the city. So if there are potholes as well, the seating is very nice, so it cushions you well and you will not feel it all the time. If you ride fast over a pothole, definitely the pillion will feel it, because the seat is a little smaller when compared to the riders. Let me overtake this guy. Enough is enough. As you see there, the bike picks up like crazy. So the thing is, my father has been riding with me for last 100 kilometers now. We have done off-road. We have ridden on these roads here. Not road actually, hilltop or whatever. So I just want my father to give me a review of what he felt when he was the pillion. So appa, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ,
ವರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ
ವರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾನು 120, 110, 100 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ.
ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ,
ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, Royal Enfield has this Bluetooth support where they have worked with Google to have the turn-by-turn map here. So I've downloaded the Royal Enfield app. So what I can do is I can pair with here and then use the Google Map app here. Go to Royal Enfield, go to navigation, click on Bluetooth. Okay, I have to turn on Bluetooth. The best part is it does not matter if you have Android or Apple, it works and it's very easy to pair. I just click on there. As you see here, now you see RE DISP. Okay, I just have to enter that 6-digit code here, 791420, and just connect. And so now I'm paired with the motorcycle, as you see there. Now if I put a direction, so let me see, enter direction, I'll put Royal Enfield, Jayanagar 9th block. I'll just put that, get directions, and now I have this many places to go. I'll click on navigate, location access not granted. Okay, this is iPhone. So I'll just put as always for now, but later I'll change it. So I'll give it as navigate. Navigation is being displayed on the motorcycle right now, and as you see there, 580 meters to go left. So now what I'll do is I'll just keep this phone inside, use the particular device or map on the Royal Enfield, and go to Royal Enfield showroom. It says 580 meters left. Let's go. 570, 550, 530. Because they worked with Google, your Google map, whatever is there in there, whatever is the data there, will be showcased here as well. Okay, so I have to take a left here. Yes, I have to take a left here. My father is with me, so I'll just make sure my father is also guided properly. Okay, so he's right there. So let's see. Oh, that's a very good dog. Very nice. He was checking out the bike, I was checking out the dog. Oh god. See, 350 meters right. As you saw, pairing the device with the motorcycle was not a big deal at all. Every time you want to pair, you have to put that 6-digit number that the motorcycle gives into the app. As simple as that. And you saw how easy it was to operate. And with another motorcycle, I wanted to pair my iPhone with that and did not allow, and I was pissed off actually. And you know which motorcycle that is? Well, anyways, 60 meters right, which is this right over here. So let's see. I'm waiting for my father again. See, I cannot expect my father to ride really fast. He is 62 years old, riding an Activa. Okay, he's right there. Chalo. My father absolutely loved that ride which we did for Mandaragiri and did off-road and everything. He even sat on the motorcycle to pose with it. So I really liked that. Guru, yen Guru ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ? Okay, wait. Sorry sir, I cannot wait for you. You are simply wasting my time. I have to go left here. So it's saying in 160 meters I have the Royal Enfield showroom. So let's find out. As you saw over there, the thing is, Google says that the Royal Enfield showroom is here, because last time I came, even I got confused. It's actually after the signal, and that is it. This is Google Mata's problem. Not Royal Enfield. It just follows what we show in the map. And as you saw there, it was very, very convenient to come here. So this is my city review with the Bluetooth Royal Enfield Tripper app, and show you how the bike really is. There are quite a few people who have come here as well. And so Ajit, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? So this is the Jayanagar 9th block showroom. and this is my review of the motorcycle. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the navigation especially, and do check out my entire Royal Enfield series for you to enjoy the videos and understand more about this motorcycle. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.